Let that shit breathe, oh yeah, yeah, let that shit breathe. Oh, let that shit breathe. Let that shit breathe, oh, let that shit breathe, oh, let that shit breathe. Look, I'm tired of the lies and I'm tired of the pain, tired of...
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kezhan'e, and I'm back with another video. And y'all, it's been so freaking long since I did a makeup tutorial. Like, it's been like months, like over probably like 8 months that I've actually sat down with y'all and like did a music video and did a makeup video. I would like to excuse that little buzzing noise. Let's see. I'm trying to see if I can counteract the sound, because it's my light in my bathroom on my mirror that's like, but so anyways, y'all, in today's video, it has been highly requested, like on my Facebook and on my Instagram. People like, girl, how do you get that smooth foundation look on your face? Like, why does it all in your pictures? Why is your makeup so smooth? Is that your skin or what? No, it's not my skin, as y'all can see. This is my imperfect skin. I'm working on it. It's not that bad. But when you pick at your face when you have bumps, y'all, this is what you get. So I'm working on my face right now. And if y'all want a skin routine, just let me know. Okay? So, in order to get this smooth, how I get my smooth foundation, I'm going to show y'all what I use. So the foundation I use is messy, y'all. I use the makeup. Let's see if I can focus. No. Anyway, it's the Makeup Forever HD foundation stick. It's the invisible cover stick foundation, and my color is 177Y505. Whatever. So I will be using this and Black Radiance. Y'all, when I started doing my makeup, it was this. So yeah. So this is in Brownie, and I actually mixed these two on my face, and that is how I get my color and the smoothness. And I think really the smoothness comes from that Makeup Forever. You get Makeup Forever from Sephora. I think that's Sephora's makeup brand, Makeup Forever. If I'm wrong, quote me. Then the next thing that I will be putting on my face first. So, yeah. So let's get started. So the next thing that I'll be putting on my face is the Pure Professional Matte Rescue. So this is some invisible finish mattifying gel, and it's just the primer that I put on my face, because sometimes I just want my face to be smooth and unoily, because my face is like really oily. Like, my face gets like oily as heck. So I just, with clean hands, of course, my hands are clean, you're going to squeeze some of this out and just work it on your face. Now, note, I'm kind of working on this display camera, y'all. I will be looking at my mirror right here, but I am truly working on this display camera to make sure y'all can see everything I'm doing. So if I look over here, I'm looking at my mirror. And make sure you wash your face and exfoliate your face before you put any makeup on it, y'all. Y'all don't want it to be clumpy. That's the main key. Make sure you exfoliate and scrub that face, because that's what's going to help you get that smooth look. Now I am going to do my eyebrows first. I don't know if I'm going to do that on camera. Yeah, I can do it on camera, but it do take a minute. I actually need to go get my I need to go get my mirror real quick, so hold on. Okay, y'all, so I got my little mirror, which is like an eyeshadow palette. So, in order for you to get, what am I talking about? Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows first, and I will be using, if y'all want a detailed eyebrow tutorial, then let me know. But I use the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. This is kind of pricey, but y'all can use any type of eyebrow gel or eyebrow pencil that y'all want to use. But recently, I've been liking eyebrow pencils. Not too much gels. I used to love eyebrow gels, and then all of a sudden, it's just like, oh, what's this? That ain't. It's not it. So I'm gonna do it like this, y'all. I'm short, so it's not really hard for me to stay in camera.
Elevated 25 speed, got some artillery, catching niggas think they robbing me. Ain't got no time for no shenanigans. I'm finna run a couple bands of rent. Invest in real, do it all again. But don't forget to stash. Love me your right, little mama, damn.
Wow, so I jinxed myself, right? So, like, my eyebrow pencil is, like, stuck, y'all, and that sucks. Wow. So, I'm gonna go get my other eyebrow pencil and fill in my other brow because it would happen. How did I run out? Y'all, this must not be a lot in here, so remember that. It's expensive, but it has not, it gotta be not allowed up in here, like, for real. So I'll be using the Wet n Wild. Y'all can't really see it. My camera never want to focus, but it's the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil, and I think it's just in brown, and it has a brush on the end, and then it's the, you know, the thing.
Elevated 25 speed, got some artillery, catching niggas think they robbing me. Ain't got no time for no shenanigans. I'm finna run a couple bands of rent. Invest in real, do it all.
Y'all know, y'all, I do have an actual gash in my eyebrow, so sometimes I like to highlight it and sometimes I don't. I might highlight it today, I might not. So, if you was wondering what that was, I ran into a wall when I was 2, and yeah. Okay, y'all, so that's how I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna clean them up. And then I'm gonna clean them up with my Pro Conceal, which I just bought some new Pro Conceal. I'm actually gonna turn this heater off, and y'all just gonna have to deal with this buzzing or not. I'll probably put some music on it and just speed this up. But I'm finna just, you know, like I said, if y'all want a detailed eyebrow tutorial, then just comment below. So I'm finna hurry up and do my brows, and then we're gonna get into this foundation.
Elevated 25 speed, got some artillery, catching niggas think they robbing me. Ain't got no time for no shenanigans. I'm finna run a couple bands of rent.
Hey Siri, play Motion 24 by K Gotti.
Here's the album Motion 24 by K
Bitch, I'm
Gotti.
at it again, yeah. But this some intro shit, look, real. Look, when I was broke, many bitches didn't want me. Look at this drip that I made, no go falling. Then be gon' suck on my dick, she gon' lick on my balls. And damn, I'ma fall in her walls. Gotta leave Canada, gotta go. Too much money, man, got these niggas think they gross. Niggas stop capping them some lows. I gotta play on some balls, yeah. 15 a piece, maybe low if you driving. This is the motion, the nigga can't stop it. Fly 24, remember, I'm the pilot. Stuff me a Dutch, damn, going higher. Went for 10 to G, elevated 25 speed. Got some artillery, catching niggas think they robbing me. Ain't got no time for no shenanigans. I'm finna run a couple bands of rent. Invest in real, do it all again. But don't forget to stash. Love me your right, little mama, damn. Let me look at that ass. like a flow all on the beach. She love when the nigga go ooh. Got it, you at it again. Yeah, you know I'm the truth. But they be the most. Low, hey. So run up, get done up, done up, done up. Hey. I'm running with shit, hey. I'm running with shit, hey. So run up a chain, yeah, so run up a shit, yeah. Look to your left.
I'm loved out, now I'm caught up in my feelings. It turns out I got played and you be tripping, cause you be loving shit and being friendly. You got so many bitches.
Okay, y'all, so focus, bitch. Okay, so I'm done. Like, I'm semi-done with my eyebrows. I like to finish my eyebrows after I put on my foundation because that's how I blend and stuff. So let's start with this freaking foundation. So what I do, well, I'm all up in here. So what I do is I get my foundation stick and I like to mark, you know, certain places in my face. Like that, like that, like that. Cause baby, we gonna be like painting. Like this, like painting. Yeah, and this is exactly how I get that smooth effect. Make sure you get around your mouth if you have like dark circles. So yeah, so I do that. We're not finished, babes. And I get my black radiance because it's like a little paddle, and I just dab some of that on my face too. Now y'all probably sit here like, bitch, now that's a lot of makeup, but this is like full coverage, okay? This is a video for full coverage. Now on a normal day, I just put this on my face first, and I put some Percocet under my eyes and call it a day. But this is full coverage, and this is how I get that smooth look. Now don't get me wrong, my face be smooth when I just put this on my face, but this is like the ultimate like baddie thing. So now I think this is a foundation brush or it's a concealer brush, but I get this and I mix it around on my face. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get my little mirror, even though I got a mirror right here, but this works better. And I'm just gonna mix this all on my face and we're gonna blend.
No, I wasn't enough for you. I had so much love for you, but you be tripping over attitudes, and then ignore me. That's what bitches do. I want you all to myself, didn't even want nobody else. I swear, now you with somebody else. I wish you the best. Go get you a check, oh yeah. How you and your feelings about me? Wasn't you the main one who was still switching on me, acting like I can't fucking leave? You was the main one who wanted me to beg and plead, but wrong bitch, right time, waste time. That's what you do. No lie, I'm gonna spin around, bust it down on my tiptoes. You gon' grab my waist, dirty wine on it real slow. Bet you ain't done it like this. I bet you can't take it like this. You gon' grab my hips, then I'm gon' kiss your lips. Bet she can't do it like this, never had it like this. Bet she can't do it, do it, do it. When I drop it down like this, turn around like this. There ain't nothing to it, to it, to it. I know you like it.
Cause my like camera is probably almost gonna die, but this is the base. I'm finna go and I'm finna go ahead and contour and contour, highlight, and then come back with the full faders. But this is the base. This is how I get that smooth look. As y'all can see, that bit is smooth. So I'm finna come back when my full face is done, and yeah. Okay, y'all, this is the freaking finished product. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If y'all want an eyelash tutorial of how I put on my eyelashes, which is very difficult, so please don't ask for that. This is a finished product. I ain't putting no eyeshadow on. This is just like a natural look, y'all. Not really going nowhere, so it's just like whatever. But this is how the makeup came out. This is how I get my smooth foundation application. Period. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And stay tuned for the next video, y'all. I don't know what it's gonna be, but it's gonna be bomb. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when another banger drops. Because like all Kezzy drops is bangers. But let me shut up and just let y'all get into this face. Period.
Oh, you're gonna love me. You're gonna wanna hug me and squeeze me. Sometimes we say things that we really don't mean. We do things in between the lines. We should do more to stand out. I'm sorry if I made you feel less than who you are, a little insecure. Oh, guilt's a shining star I wanna spread.
Let that shit breathe. Look, I'm tired of the lies and I'm tired of the pain. Tired of waking up wishing that I didn't know your name. Looking on your picture signs cause you ain't been the same. Had me crying to my brother cause I thought shit would change. But you the same as the last goofy ass nigga. Look what you had, you a stupid ass nigga. You broke my heart but the shit got bigger. That's what I get for trusting you niggas. I'm loving the weird, now I'm plotting revenge. Now go tell all your friends how you lying.